Exploring Olympic History, a journey through time. Hello, everyone. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to explore the meaning and significance of Olympic history. This phrase encapsulates the rich legacy and incredible stories that have unfolded in the Olympic Games over the years. Let's dive in and uncover the treasures hidden in Olympic history. Olympic history refers to the chronological record of the Olympic Games, an international sports event held every 4 years. It's not just about the records and medals but also the stories of athletes, the evolution of sports, and the spirit of international unity and competition. This history is marked by remarkable achievements, cultural exchanges, and moments that have captivated the world. The Olympic Games originated in ancient Greece, around 776 BCE. These games were held in Olympia and featured competitions like running, wrestling, and chariot racing. Understanding this origin helps us appreciate how the games have evolved and their impact on world culture and sportsmanship. The modern Olympic Games began in 1896, thanks to the efforts of Baron Pierre de Coubertin. This marked a new era of international sports, bringing together athletes from all over the world to compete and celebrate peace and friendship. This section highlights some of the most memorable events in the Olympics, such as Jesse Owens's triumph in 1936, the Perfect 10 by Nadia Comaneci in 1976, and Usain Bolt's record-breaking runs. These moments are not just sports achievements. They symbolize human spirit, perseverance, and unity. The Olympics have played a crucial role in promoting international understanding and peace. The Olympic Village, where athletes from different countries live together, and the Olympic Truce, a tradition from ancient Greece, are testaments to the Games' role in fostering global harmony. Throughout its history, the Olympics have been influenced by global politics. Boycotts, such as those in 1980 and 1984, and the inclusion or exclusion of countries reflect the intersection of sports and political affairs. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Olympic history. It's more than just a sporting event. It's a celebration of human potential, cultural diversity, and international friendship. I hope this video has provided you with a deeper understanding and appreciation of the Olympic Games. Stay curious, and keep learning.